Welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing about snake plant problems and how to fix them. Brown and mushy roots. This is the first of all problem. If you notice mushy and brown roots during repotting, this can be due to overwatering and fungal infection. Waterlogged condition decreases the oxygen concentration soil bearing the roots from absorbing the essential nutrients for plants' growth. To prevent root rot and fungal infection, do not let the plants sit in water, especially in humid and wet weather. Never use common garden soil to repot the plant as it may reduce drainage and have pathogens. Second is always go for a good quality repotting soil mix designed for succulents. Third is trim the affected areas of root before transplanting the root and plants into a new container. Second problem is leaves curling and folding problem. When plants goes through stress and it leaves curl inward or outward. This might be due to too much sun exposure, shrimp infestations, under or overwatering, roots rot, and transplant shock. All these can be taken care of quality with preventive measures. Third problem is leaves turning yellow. This can be due to many things overwatering, low light, and harsh sun exposure. Pests are also the reason behind brown and yellow leaves. Solution is avoid frequent watering, prevent pest related issues by applying pesticides and pruning the affected foliage. This will help the plant to return its normal and healthy growth pattern. Too much sunlight leads to burnt yellow foliage. Change the location to fix this issue. Fourth problem is leaves falling. Overwatering is one of the biggest reasons for falling leaves in a snake plant. The foliage begins to mush at the base, wrinkles, and falls over. Sometimes tall growth of leaves can also be the reason behind their fall. Also, keeping this plant in the dark for a long time leads to this condition. Solution is allow the soil to dry out a bit before the next watering session. Second, if you have a taller sansevieria variety, cut the tallest floppy leaves and propagate them into another pot to maintain the upright structure of your plant. Third is avoid keeping the plant in the dark spot. Make sure it gets plenty of indirect sunlight. Avoid using too large or small pots. Fifth problem is leaf with brown tips or spores. Used hard water, too much fertilization, sudden changes of climate. Extreme temperature are the reasons behind brown tips or spores. Cold drafts freeze up the plant cells, causing brown tips. Salt buildup due to the hard tap water can also result in brown tips. Solutions are save the plant from cold draft and sudden change temperature in your home garden. Second solution is use fertilizer in weak strength as snake plant grow best in soil with low nutrition. Replace tap water with rain or RO water to avoid mineral buildup.